Welcome to an interstellar quiz that will take you on a journey through the mysteries of our solar system. Now, let's explore the cosmos together. I am smaller than my neighbor, Earth. Robots from Earth have landed on me. I am known as the Red Planet. Which planet am I? I am Mars. My atmosphere contains oxygen. I have earthquakes and volcanoes. Things are able to live in my atmosphere. Which planet am I? I am Earth. I am named after the Roman god of agriculture. I am the second largest planet in the solar system. I have 7 flat rings which go around me. Which planet am I? I am Saturn. My weather is very extreme. I am the outermost planet in the solar system. I am blue in color. Which planet am I? I am Neptune. I am the smallest planet in the solar system. I have lots of craters. I am the closest planet to the Sun. Which planet am I? I am Mercury. I am named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. My atmosphere is hot and deadly. I am the second planet from the Sun. Which planet am I? I am Venus. I am named after the king of Roman gods. I have a large spot which is actually a star that has been dragging for many years. I am the largest planet in the solar system. Which planet am I? I am Jupiter. I am named after the Greek god of the sky. I spin on my side. I am the coldest planet in the solar system. Which planet am I? Stopwatch 4000. I am Uranus. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Welcome to an interstellar quiz that will take you on a journey through the mysteries of our solar system. Now, let's explore the cosmos together. I am smaller than my neighbor, Earth. Robots from